If you're thinking about switching to a mobile carrier that promises flexibility and affordability, Red Pocket Mobile might have caught your eye, but most people get this wrong. They assume all MVNO are the same. The surprising truth is that Red Pocket has unique plans, coverage options, and features that could either save you money or frustrate you depending on your needs. Let's start with the basics. Red Pocket is an MVNO, meaning it doesn't operate its own network, but instead uses major carriers like AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile, and US Cellular. This gives you the option to choose the network that best suits your location, which is a big advantage over carriers locked into a single network. Plans are straightforward, but flexible. You can choose unlimited talk and text with data starting from as low as $10 per month, or opt for unlimited plans with high-speed data for $40, $50. There are also multi-month and family plans, which can further reduce costs. One of the most appealing features is that there's no contract, so you can switch plans or carriers without penalties. Most people get this wrong by assuming unlimited data always means fast data. Red Pocket's high-speed data is subject to the limitations of the underlying carrier and plan. For example, some unlimited plans may throttle speeds after a certain threshold, so heavy data users should read the fine print. Another advantage is international calling. Some plans include free international texting and low-cost calling, which is great if you have family or work abroad. Activation is simple. Just buy a SIM card, select your carrier network, and follow the setup instructions. The downside, since it's an MVNO, customer support can be slower compared to major carriers, and features like visual voicemail or Wi-Fi calling may not be available on all networks or devices. Device compatibility is another factor. Make sure your phone is unlocked and supported on the chosen network. In conclusion, Red Pocket Mobile is a strong option if you want flexibility, affordability, and the ability to pick your network. It's ideal for light to moderate users who value no contracts and simple plans, but heavy users or those who rely on advanced network features should check compatibility carefully. If this review helped you understand whether Red Pocket Mobile fits your needs, subscribe for more honest mobile carrier reviews and tips to save on your phone plan.